This is going to be a brief tutorial for Weebly to create our ePortfolios. First thing we're going to start with is the website, www.weebly.com. Now we have to create an account here. I already have an account, but I'm going to create another one just for illustration purposes. So type in your full name and please use your Bulldog email address to register. And create your password. We're going to choose a free plan, $0, and our focus is going to be a site. What we're doing is creating a personal website e-portfolio of your academic work. Right now we're doing just the introduction, so I'm only going to require you to do 2 pages, a home page and an about page. So to start, you're just going to pick a theme, and if you scroll through Weebly, these are all available here. They're all free. Choose a professional theme or a theme related to your major. I'm going to go back to the first theme that we saw and click on choose to select the theme. After it's done loading, you begin to edit your site. So you need to name your site. I suggest typing in some version of your first and last name. M. Thompson is taken. I'm going to add 12. That's also taken. So I'm going to add let's see, M. Thompson 14. That's available, so I'm going to continue. And I'm going to build my site from here. So for instance, everything on this screen now is editable. Since this is my site, I'm going to choose my name as the logo. You want to click there and just begin to type. On your home page, your name is required along with your major, Alabama A&M University. Okay, so I've named my site. If I wanted to per se change this font or color, if I click here, highlight what I want to change and go up to the design feature, I can change color, change font, or even change this theme if I wanted to. So we're going to play with the color here, and that changes the theme on the page. And now I want to see what other fonts are available. So I'm going to click on change font. If I scroll through, it changes as you scroll and choose different fonts. Okay. You can also control the size of your font here, if you want it regular, if you want it bolded, and also any particular color. Okay. So I'm going to, the headline could also be your name, or it could be your major, for instance. I'm going to put lead academic advisor here, my job title, as my headline. Okay. I'm just going to put Alabama A&M University. Now, one requirement on your home page here also is a personal picture. So if you want to leave your background as is and add a picture, that's fine. Where it says drag elements here, you have to go back to the building feature on the website and choose your icon from the left. So if I want to drag an image here, I choose the image box and drag it here. And I want to upload an image. So I'm going to click here and choose an image from my personal computer. That's going to check for viruses and then upload. So here we have a home page, my name, lead academic advisor, the university, and a personal photo. That's all that's required on your home page. This button text, I could just change it. I'm going to increase the size. If I wanted to link something here, per se, AAMU's website is what that would be for. Or you can remove it. So I'm going to save that. Okay. The next page we need to create is simply an about page. This page is going to be where you upload your resume and list any classes that you've already taken towards your major. This picture, I want to edit the image here. I click on edit. You can change it to a pic that Weebly has already provided, or again, you can choose a personal pic. I'll choose a picture that Weebly has provided just for illustration purposes. We'll keep scrolling a little bit just to see what some of the other options are. Again, this could also be a personal pic that you already have in your saved files. Oh, I think and select. This is where you're required to create your resume here. You can type your resume here or upload it. I prefer that you upload a document. Let me save that picture to this page, and then we'll go back over and add a document. So on the left, I click and drag. Now on my example page, the link is for, I went ahead and uploaded a file resume from the computer. So this is where you can either type or upload. Let's see, where's my box? Okay, so I want to upload a new file here. You click on the icon at the bottom right. Again, this will take you to your personal documents. I'm not going to upload it here because there's already one on the example page, but you would just scroll through your document list, select the file you want to upload, and click on open. It will again scan for viruses and then upload the file to this page for you. So I'm going to close that since I'm not uploading anything. And yes, I want to delete that box. Okay, these are the only 2 pages that you're required to create. If you want to add additional pages, feel free to do so. They can include academic extracurricular activities or presentations you've given or other pictures or slideshows you want to include. Those would all be for extra credit, anything beyond the 2 required pages. I've also included, before I move on, once you're done with your site and you're ready to publish it and send me your link, click on the publish link, continue with your name. We're going to say the site's for educational purposes, and we're going to say it's for a class project, and continue. Okay. Now I already have a site, so it's asking me to verify that this is me again. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to go to, once you publish, it'll send you an email that your Weebly has been born and a time and day. What you're going to send to me when you're done is the actual link to your site. So this link here is the actual website that I created before I did the tutorial. So my Weebly address is here. It's my name.weebly.com. You would right click on that and do a copy and paste that link into an email to send to me. So what you're viewing now is the actual website. So send me your site in website mode and not in edit mode. This site is also linked on our Blackboard page, and you can use it as a reference for what it is you should be doing as an example. The last 2 pages, like I said, are only for extra credit. They're not required, but I did give an example of some of the things that they could possibly include. Okay, so these both links will be available in the Blackboard shell. If you have any questions, here's my contact information. Let me know. Good luck with your Weebly. I look forward to looking at them.